You guys have tagged us in a ton of DIY slime videos that use household ingredients. So today, I'm gonna test them out. But first, we gotta go to my house. Welcome to my crib! Alright guys, let's take a look at the first slime that we're gonna be recreating. This one's using only styrofoam and acetone, which makes me a little skeptical, but let's just see what they're doing. Whoa, okay, this one is crazy. Okay. Alright, so I have all of these things at my house, so let's just go find them and then head back to the warehouse and make our slime. We're at my crib! Okay, so let's find styrofoam plates. Are they here? Yes, we found them! The next ingredient I need for this slime is acetone. I got that right over in my restroom. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, I'm so excited to make this slime. All right, let's go to the factory and make our wonderful acetone slime. All right, we're back at the warehouse and we have some plates and some acetone. So in the video, he poured some acetone on a couple of cups. So I'm gonna grab some little plates right here, pour it in, see what happens. I feel like the acetone is just gonna like shrink it up and make it melt. It's like acid. Oh, I do hear some little crispy sounds. Oh, it's sizzling. Whoa, oh my gosh. Okay, check this out. Look at that. Oh my God, it's like a UFO. Okay, let's crush it up. I need to add more acetone, and this is starting to make my hands feel really weird. Let me just put the plate right here, add some more of this. Thankfully, I have gloves. Wait, that's crazy. But I swear, it looked way easier in the video. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay, so we have a bowl, and we have our little slime creature. I gotta say, this smells disgusting, but it still needs more acetone. Let's pour it up. Let's swirl our little styrofoam buddy. I think that should be good. Let's do a little stretch test. Is this slime or is it still a styrofoam plate? Let's find out. Whoa, that's actually super cool. My mind is blown right now. What is this? I cannot believe this worked. It actually turned into slime. It's kind of hard to play with and it feels super cold because of the acetone. Anyways, what truly matters is my rating on whether or not I would play with this. Okay, honestly, I hate it. The more you play with it, the harder it gets. I'm gonna rate this a good 2.2 out of 10. No, I would not play with this on a regular basis. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, we're back. So this next slime that we're gonna be making is using dish soap and salt. I don't know who's falling for this, but you know what? It's not gonna work. Like, this is not gonna make slime, but I'm willing to give it a try. Let's see the video. All right, it also looks like we're gonna put it in the freezer. Like, that's supposed to activate it or something? Yep, this is this is not gonna work. I'm already telling you. But you know what? I'm curious about this one. It's kind of interesting. So let's grab everything we need and get started on our slime. Okay, for this next one, we gotta find our salt and our dish soap. By the way, I just went grocery shopping, got myself some fresh dish soap, and we're gonna need some salt. Got some salt right here. Should look at that. I don't know about this slime, but I think it's gonna be fantastic. So let's go to the warehouse and get started. All right, we're back. We got our salt and our dish soap. So let's fill up our bowl halfway with some of this dish soap. You know, I know a lot of things about slime, but I don't know about this one. This is such a sketchy hack. Like, I really don't think it's gonna work. All right, we're gonna add our salt. Not too much, not too little. That's good, right? Okay, let's give it a little mix. I swear, this is the weirdest one out of all of these hacks. Like, how is this even gonna work? Maybe the salt is what activates the dish soap? I have no idea, but we have to freeze it. Y'all are so weird for coming up with these weird DIY hacks, but it's very creative. I love a good little science experiment. Okay, that should be good. Now we need to leave this slime thing in the freezer for a little bit and we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, we finally have our frozen slime. It's super cold. Let me get it out of the bowl. What is this? This is not slime. I can't believe it. I got scammed. The internet scammed me. Oh, it's so cold. I can't even play with it. Dude, okay, it's time for the rating. That's all I can really do now. My hands are freezing. I need to get these off now. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. I don't know why I did this in the first place, but would I play with this? I rated a 0. Of course I wouldn't play with this. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this next slime is a borax-free fluffy slime. Honestly, this is pretty exciting. I love a good fluffy slime, so let's see the video. Okay, so it looks like we need some glue, some shaving cream. That's what's gonna make it really fluffy. Oh, we need cornstarch, some soap, and lotion. And it looks like instead of borax, we're gonna use face wash. So I think I have everything we need. This one's gonna be really fun. So let's grab everything we need and make our slime. For this next one, we're gonna need a lot of things. So starting off with our cornstarch, which I have some right here. We're also gonna need 2 different types of soap. We need like a fluffy foam one and a regular liquid one. Okay, cool. I have a foam one and a liquid one. Nice. We're also gonna need some shaving cream. I got some right here. Oh yeah, also some lotion. Got some lotion. Now, the last ingredient is glue. I don't have glue. What I do have, however, is a ton of super glue. You know what? You can't tell me this isn't gonna work. Let's gather all of our materials and make our slime. Okay, let's make our fluffy slime. Now, I don't have actual glue, but I think super glue will do the trick. So let's pour it all in. It's really hard to get it out. All right, we added all of the super glue. The next ingredient we need is a tablespoon of shaving cream. Ooh, nice and foamy. Let's give that a little mix and see how it's looking so far. I'm really excited about this because I've never seen anyone make slime with super glue, and it's using a ton of ingredients, so I'm really curious. A little bit of cornstarch. You know, I just had this sitting around. I've never even used it, so today's the day. Just a little bit is gonna go a long way. Okay, we're gonna need 1 pump of lotion, just a little bit. And the last thing we need is baking soda in some warm water. So let me go prepare that real quick. Okay, let's add a little bit of this baking soda into the warm water. I think this is gonna be kind of like our activator. You guys, this better work because the other 2 did not. It just comes to show how not everything you see in the internet is real. That like fell. All right, let's give it a mix. Dude, my spoon is stuck. It's literally stuck. All right, well, you know what? I honestly messed it up with the super glue. I don't know what I was thinking. I just didn't have glue. I had to work with what I had, but I can't do this. This one is a fail. So would I play with the slime? Well, I can't. But you know what? It would have been a really good slime. I'm still gonna rate it a future 3 out of 10. Let's see what the next one is. This next slime is probably my favorite because it's gonna require clay and lotion. I love clay. I love making little clay sculptures, so I have a ton of that. And I have a lot of lotion, so we're off to a good start. Let's watch the video. Wait, this is really cool. I've never seen someone make a slime like this before. It's also just 2 ingredients, so it's very simple, very easy to make at home. All right, okay, this one's pretty cool. I think we can get really creative with this one. Let's grab our clay and a lot of lotion. For this one, I'm gonna need my lotion and clay. I already have my lotion over there, so let's grab our clay. I have some right down here. All right, we have our clay. Let's make a clay slime. Okay, so we have our clay and our lotion. You know what? I have really high hopes for this slime because, I mean, this is already slime to me. It's kind of like our memory butter slime. It feels just like it. So if we were to add lotion, I bet you it's gonna get just real soft and probably gonna work. But we must find out. We're just gonna add a good little amount. Let's mix it. I can already tell that the lotion is starting to make our slime feel super soft and it smells so good. It's like a very relaxing scent. Okay, and it did change the consistency of our slime. This works. I mean, not much happened, but I'm honestly happy that one of these little experiments actually worked because all of the other ones were such a fail. This one's actually really nice. It's non-sticky. It smells great. Very relaxing lavender vibes. What a good slime. All I think it needs is some color, but you know, that's fine. We're working with what we have. I didn't have any food coloring. And this is a good slime. 1 through 10. Would I play with this slime? Well, yes, of course. It's kind of like our memory butter slime. This is a solid 10. Woo! You know what? Never mind. It doesn't have color. I'm gonna give it a 9.3. Let's do the next one. This next one is a water slime, but using no glue. I don't know how to feel about this. I've made tons of water slimes before, but never without glue. So I'm really curious as to how it even works. I don't think this is gonna work. Let's watch it. All right, they got that Fiji water and soap. Okay, so it's just 2 ingredients. They need some activator. Like this can't possibly work. And they added like 1 teaspoon of water, like what? We're gonna have to put it in the fridge for like 2 hours. This is gonna take forever. This can't work. Like they totally faked it. All right, I have a feeling that this one's definitely not gonna work, but I'm excited to try it out. So let's grab a ton of water and soap. Now we gotta make our water slime. So we have a ton of water at the warehouse. So we just need our soap, a little body wash. Let's see here. Ooh, here we go. Nice little ocean breeze. Okay, I don't know about this one, but let's go try it. Okay, so for this next one, we're only using our body wash and a little bit of water. This one's really weird because there's no glue, no activator. It's just supposed to be a water slime. I think that's good. You can see how the body wash has kind of slimy consistency already. And now in the video, she just added like a teaspoon of water, so I think 2 is enough. Okay, let's mix that around a little bit. Now she also put this slime in the fridge for about 2 hours, and I feel super skeptical about that because if you were to just take a cold shower, I mean, you'd basically just be a slime. Like, this does not make sense. But let's just do what the video says. So let's finish mixing our slime and then put it in the fridge for about 2 hours and then see what happens. All right, we got it back from the fridge and let's see what it looks like. What? This is literally the same as it was before. Like, did I do something wrong or something? Look at that. This is definitely not slime. I might have missed a step. Honestly, guys, comment down below if you think I could have changed something or if I missed something because this is not slime. We just got scammed. That video is not real. I was really hoping this one would work, but it's a fail. I'm gonna give it a solid 1.3 out of 10. I like the color, but that's all. Let's move on to the last and final slime. Ooh, this next one is an edible slime. I've never made an edible slime before, and it's using candy. Let's see the video. Ooh, okay, tons of gummy bears. I'm excited to eat this slime. Okay, we just need like cornstarch, gummy bears, some sugar. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. This one's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, this one's gonna be super fun and I get to eat it. So let's grab our gummy bears. It is time to make our edible slime. Good thing I've saved some gummy bears and they're right here. Oh yeah, we got our gummy bears. We need some sugar. What else we need? Oh yeah, cornstarch, which I already have back at the warehouse, so let's make our slime. Okay, this next slime is an edible slime. I'm very excited to try it. So we're gonna be using gummy bears. Gotta open this up. Oh, there we go. Let's just pour some of these in. It's a little treat. All right, this looks like it's enough, so let's go melt these and then come back and add our other ingredients. Okay, we melted our gummy bears. Let's add some of our sugar. I think this slime is gonna be so cool because I've never seen anyone here at Peachybbies make an edible slime before. I think I'm the first person to do it. Okay, we're gonna add a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, let's mix it up and hopefully it starts to turn into a nice slimy texture. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like gummy bears. Oh yeah, this is starting to work for sure. Look at that. You can see how it's getting thicker and thicker. It's also really warm, so once it cools off, it's definitely going to get that nice thick consistency. I don't know if I should even just keep mixing it. I feel like I should just let it sit for a bit. Let's just let this sit for a bit and come back when it's ready. Okay, we're back. I let it cool off and it's honestly looking much better than before. It already looks a little bit slimy, but I do think we need to add a little bit more cornstarch because this is not what we need, okay? We need something thicker. Here I have my little cornstarch. Let's add a little teaspoon. I really want this slime to work because if it does, I get to eat it. And that is honestly life-changing. I've never eaten slime before because you're not supposed to, but this one you can. Okay, so I also saw they like put cornstarch on the table, kind of like we're making a pizza, and then kind of mix the cornstarch into it so that it's not sticky anymore. It's just stuck on my hand at this point. I just can't get it off my hands. Like I literally can't. It's like getting more and more stuck in there. This is insane. You know what? I'm not gonna rate the stickiness. I'm gonna rate whether or not I would play with it. Well, because it's really sticky. I don't know if I will. This is actually terrifying, but does it taste good? I feel really weird about this. Okay. It's actually really good. But it's terrible. I hate playing with it. Well, you guys, those are all the DIY hacks we tried today. Let me know if there's any others that I missed in this video that you want to see, and I'll do them next time. Bye!